Growing a YouTube channel requires a strategic approach, consistent effort, and patience. Here are some steps to help you grow your YouTube channel effectively. Define your niche. Identify specific topics you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Creating content within a well-defined niche helps attract a targeted audience. Create high-quality content. Invest time in creating engaging, informative, and high-quality videos. Good content is more likely to be shared and recommended. Consistent upload schedule. Establish a regular upload schedule so your audience knows when to expect new content. Consistency builds trust and keeps your viewers engaged. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve searchability. This helps your videos rank higher in YouTube's search results. Eye-catching thumbnails. Design custom thumbnails that are visually appealing and clearly convey the video's content. Thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting clicks. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage discussions. Building a community makes viewers feel connected and valued. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche for collaborations. This exposes your channel to a broader audience. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, forums, and websites related to your niche. External promotion can drive more traffic to your channel. Analyze and adapt. Use YouTube analytics to track your channel's performance. Pay attention to metrics such as watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. Adjust your content strategy based on these insights. Stay updated. Keep up with YouTube's latest features and algorithm changes. Adapting to new trends and updates can give you a competitive edge. Be patient and persistent. Growing a YouTube channel takes time. Stay motivated, keep improving your content, and don't get discouraged by slow progress. By following these steps and remaining dedicated to your content, you can steadily grow your YouTube channel and build a loyal audience.